Hey, it's 29 December, closing out the year. Really good. Just finished painting this ship. Lots of work. Took a lot of time, no runs, nothing. I'm going to give you a glimpse of it now. It's like about 5 o'clock in the morning. So everything looks great, really nice. It looks like glass. And of course, very beautiful job. Love it. This is the tricky part with all these rivets. And when you can accomplish paint like this without any runs, it's fantastic. You know, it's really nice work. Ground coat, sealer ground coat, leading edge doors. And of course, this is the pilot side. And that is how we're closing out the 29th of December, like 5 a.m. in the morning. Everything just looks good. I know the customer's gonna be very happy with this job. Minimal to no polish. I would want to say a speck here or there, but it's just beautiful work. And this is what 25 years of experience in automotive, the fire truck industry, dealing with different types of coating, so many different brands of paint like Sikkens, Axalta, you Spiseca, you have PPG, Akzo Nobel, Sherman Williams, military, you have DuPont, so many different brands that requires to do these jobs. And in the automotive, it's different from the fire apparatus, and the fire apparatus is different from the aviation because there's different requirements, and it takes a lot of knowledge, patience, and time to accomplish something like this. So very happy. 2023 is coming to a close, and we're accomplishing a lot. I hope this open up better opportunities down the road. It's time for me to start transferring my knowledge to those who are now coming out of the training academies and stuff. So, you know, I'm happy about the progress that I've made along the different industries, which is the automotive, the marine, the fire truck industry, and now into the aviation industry. So, happy 2024 from me.